Hi guys, it's me, Lena, and I am going to be showing you guys some slime. So yeah, and it's crunchy slime-ish. So yeah. So I'm gonna start and get ready. So I'll see you guys in 1 minute, and I will have the slime. See you soon. Okay, so I have a flashlight because it's hard to see-ish. It's not that bad, but so right here is the crunchy slime. I love how it makes that sound up on the top. It's not the best sound though, because sorry, you can't.
Did that go all over the floor?
That was my tablet!
Break?
No.
Lucky.
So right here is.
Got it again?
Yes.
Then quit making the damn video. Did it break that time?
No. It needs contact solution. And sorry you guys, I dropped the camera 2 times. But yeah. So this is the slime. I don't know if I want to get both of my hands in it though. It's very sticky. And I mean very sticky. Because you can't even poke it. Look. It gets all over your fingers. And this is not the type of slime that I really need right now. Because it's not good. So I'm going to move on and get some different slime because this is not the type of slime that anybody would really want. Because you can't barely poke it. So I'll see you guys in 1 minute again, so that I could get you guys, so I could grab some better slime. See you soon. Now this slime is much better. And when I say much better, I mean very much better. Except it's hard to poke because it's hard. And it's a crunchy slime. It just needs like more of the liquid slime stuff. So I'm gonna go get some more of that. So I'll see you guys in 1 minute. Again, see you soon. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what I'm dipping it in because this is liquid slime in there, and that's what I used to make the slime that I have right now. And it's very hard right now, this slime. So I'm trying to make it not as hard. So when it's getting softer, I will unpause the video. So I will see you guys in about a minute. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm back. And it seems like this slime has gotten a little bit liquidy now because now it's all over my hands. So that's good because it's getting less and less hard. So here's the good slime. hope you guys really like this. So please like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. And if you're watching this, if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. Bye guys.